Hi friends, we have a motor set over here. This is a fan, a process fan. We are in a process industry. You can see this fan is giving air to the system. Here is the air slide at the top, and this fan is providing air to the air slide, and here is its motor, and this is direct coupling. You can see the fan is directly coupled to the impeller. The impeller is over here, and the problem with this unit is now, as you can see, this is stuck. We cannot rotate it easily. It is rotating, but it is not free. So what is the problem with this one is this fan is relying on the motor bearings. So the motor bearings went bad, they are stuck. That's why this fan is not rotating. Now we are going to remove the motor from, and the motor we will send to the workshop, electrical workshop, and then over there they will change the bearings, and while the bearings will be changed, so we will fix it back and the system will come to work once again. Here what we are doing, we are making a puller for this purpose. This is the puller, and they didn't give any holes over here for the puller, and there is no proper arrangement for the puller. So that's why what we are going to do is we are making another retrofit type of puller, which is over here. So this retrofit we will weld on the periphery of this impeller, and by this way we will tight the bolt. As you can see, here is the bolt. So this bolt we will tight, and that will take to the shaft of the motor, and from there it will come off. So this what I'm going to show you in this video. Now we are preparing for the puller, and we are preparing for the welding also. Here is the welding. We are going to make tag welding. So you can see some tags we will create, and this way this is the arc welding, and this way we will do this job. So this way we will weld over here, and we will weld there. Tags welding we will provide, and then while we will tight this bolt, so the impeller will come out. So this is what is the retrofitting, or whatever you can say, a jugaad method, which we are going to do. This welding I will not show you on my camera, because welding is not good for the camera. So that's why I will do this process. We will do the welding process, and then I will show you later on. Oh, you can see we have welded this piece, this metal piece we welded, and this puller has been welded to the impeller. Now we are going to tight this bolt. As you can see, we will hold the impeller, and then we will tight it. So by this way we are holding it. It's a tough job, not easy, but by this way it will come. Only this way is to bring it off. There is no other way. So you can see a holy hammer is required. Now you can see with the effort, it had been come to start. Now it is rotating, because we made some hammering over here. So while the hammering, you can see it's very easy to rotate now. These are the things, sometimes it is happening because there was some problem with the bearing which had been gone. Now what we will do is we will lubricate the bearing, and then we will fix it back. I mean to say, only this puller we will remove from, we will cut it from, and then it will come okay. Because this is running, you can see very easily it can rotate with a single finger. Even I can rotate it. So this way, as you saw, this became good. So now no more problem. It's going opposite direction also itself. So it means this is okay now. We will fix cover and everything. So that's it. If you like this video, give a big thumbs up. Subscribe on my channel, press on bell icon. Press on also, you will get notifications on each upload. Thank you for watching.